Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see how to install Python on Windows. So first type download Python on Google and open your first link. This is the official page of Python. Here you can download the latest version, which is 3.11.2. Once it is downloaded, click on the executable file. This is the dialog box for installing it. We are going to check this box so that we are not required to add our path in environment variables. This directly adds the path to the environmental variables. I'll go into custom installation and I install for all users so that whoever logs into my laptop with another user, they can also use this Python, and I'll install. This will take a minute. Okay, now Python got installed. Let's check the Python whether it got installed successfully. Now open your command prompt and then type Python. So yeah, as you can see, the Python 3.11.2 is installed successfully. In the next video, we are going to learn about Python syntax. In case of any questions or doubts, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.